Hey guys, Squint here. Today I'm going to be working on a package opening. This arrived today in the mail, and I like to do my package openings the day that I get them. So I'm coming at you with another package opening. This one is from my buddy, the Lockpicking Patrolman. This came in today, and yeah, let's see what's in it. I know some things are I'm going to have to take out and put into another box and send them on, but feels fairly full. There we go. Alright. I know the addresses and everything are on the other side, so I'm going to try to be real careful not to flip the address over. Alright, let's see what we got here. Pull them out one by one. Uh-oh, I know what that is. Alright, I know who that one's for. Go ahead and stick that to the side. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's get one by one, see what he has sent us. So let's start off with this one. I already kind of know what this one is, which is pretty cool. It has the traveling case that comes with it. But this is the collaboration lock. You guys can see here, this is from Bobby Keys and JP McPenning. So they did this collaboration lock. Look at the bitting on that thing. That's crazy. That's really good, guys. Works real smooth, super smooth. So I'm excited to pick this one. Thanks for sending this to me. Lockpick Patrolman, that's pretty cool. I'll definitely get this picked and send out to the next victim. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Alright, I can see the name on this one. These are always, like I said, I love getting Bill Bacardi locks. This is a Bill Bacardi lock, for sure. I'm gonna have to start getting out those Bill Bacardi knives. Get some of these packages opened up. Alright, Bill Bacardi number 81. Let's see what we got in here. Everything that he makes is always really good, so it's got great bitting on the key. Works really smooth. You guys can see that bitting. Thanks, sir. Always a pleasure to have a Bill Bacardi lock. That makes two of them that I have now. Alright, let's see what else we got. This one's from, alright, cool, from Leon's Lock Pad. Awesome, I just got my first Leon's Lock Pad just the other day. So this will be the third one that I, whoa, I took offline. This will be the third one that I've gotten from him, so. Awesome, I'm looking forward to that. Leon's pretty cool. He's got his keys are kind of like plastic dipped or waxed. Maybe that's wax from all the whiskey bottles. I'm not sure. Mummy key. But yeah, so we'll see. He's got this one called I Fought the Law. Oh man, I do remember seeing Lockpicking Patrolman. Lockpicking Patrolman picked that one. That was pretty fun. That's a pretty good name for him. So, all right, let's see what else. A great learning experience. Okay, that's got me intrigued. Come on. Oh. Okay. It's a 5-pinner, no key. Let's see, he's got this one called a great learning experience. So I'm not sure if this is one that he's pinned up. Let me know, Lockpicking Patrolman, if this is one that you've actually pinned up. That'll be pretty cool. I'll pick it, but I'm not sure who that's from. But let me know. He's got this one number. This one says it's number 2 on it. Maybe this is his, maybe he's done 2 locks, I'm not sure. Let's see what this says. And if those are yours, if this is yours, I'll put a tag on it. Just let me know. And I'll get a tag on it. Alright, Lockpicking Patrolman number 2. This one definitely has your engraving on it. That's cool. Nice key. Alright, look, works good. It's got a little hang up there. Not too bad though. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm excited about picking that one. It's got this one called County Lockup. Uh-oh, that can't ever be good when the pokey's there to get you, so. Alright, cool, brother. Thank you, man. That's awesome. So that'll be my first Lockpicking Patrolman lock. Let's see, what do we got here? Didn't have anything written on this one. Alright, this is tagged Texas Jim. Texas Jim didn't really put a lot of names on his, but man, look at that bedding. It's a crazy bedding. But I've picked a couple of Texas Jims before. He always has some kind of goodness in there. We'll see. Only seems to want to turn clockwise. That's all good. I'll sit there and play with it for a little bit. See how it goes. Alright, this last one. The rim. Uh-oh. Yeah. Great. I don't know what lock this is from. First of all, it's a Sergeant lock. And it's from Truckmaster 30. This one's called Thorn. I think I remember watching Lockpicking Patrolman pick this one, and it's definitely a Thorn. Works great. A little hang up there. So, but it looked to be a fun pick, so I'm glad you sent it to me, man. There we go. So, yeah. Thorn. Definitely probably going to be a thorn in my side, but hey, let me know about this one. You had it labeled Great Learning Experience. Let me know if that's yours also. If it is, I'll at least attach, next time I send it out, I'll at least put a little tag on there so people know who it belongs to or whose it was. So, but yeah, man. All right, so cool. I appreciate these locks, these challenge locks. The other lock, I'll definitely get it into the package and probably try to send that out tomorrow to Australia. So it's not the last lock I'm going to send Don, or not the last box I'm going to send Don, so I'm sure there'll be other boxes. So yeah, if you guys have anything you want to send to Australia, let me know. I'm already starting to put together box number 2, so I've got to go get this one weighed to make sure I'm below 20 pounds for him. So the Lockpicking Patrolman, I appreciate all this stuff, man. You know, it's always fun getting challenge locks and then sending them right back out to the community. So I'll try to get these picked, and I'm excited about having one of your locks. That's cool. That's really good. Hopefully Thorn's not in my naughty bucket for very long. I'm still working on that freaking Keith Dean one. So, but anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody sending me all the good stuff over the past couple of days, and yeah, I'll just sign off here. I appreciate it, and I'll be on to the next lock. Thanks, guys.